Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. So today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick. So here opportunity. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I place my trade call option here because of this strong candle and because of multiple rejection from this level. As you can see here, let me explain. See market reject multiple time here, but this candle has no rejection, which means market is trying to break this level, and this candle is strong candle. Even though the market is clutch here, but I know definitely this candle will close above my entry point. That's why I place my trade call option, and you see it's pull back from this 50 and 20 MA. So that's why I place my trade call option here. So you see it's winning trade. So let's see another market here. We don't have opportunity. Maybe in this area we can get. Yeah, no opportunity. This is downtrend. Market is trying to range. Yes, maybe on the next candle I can place my trade, but it's too bad. No problem. Strong sellers. I'll place my trade put option here because of this strong rejection from this level. I can see strong rejection, and here you can see sellers entry, and the major trend is downtrend, and here is market try to make U-turn in this area. Here market is trying to make U-turn here. So that's why I place my trade put option. So I know this candle will be weak candle, so that's why I place my trade. So I know definitely it will close below my entry point. Let's wait and see. Yes, you see, that's why I place my trade. So let's check for another. Here is strong uptrend. Here we are in this bias area. So let's see what will happen with this candle. Strong sellers candle. Bias enter here. Bias. So after breakout, bias may enter because of this strong bias. simulate. If market come down a little bit, I will place my trade down, down, down. Yes, I place my trade call option here because of this strong bias area. You can see strong bias. From here you can see bias strongly enter, and here you can see bias entry strong. So definitely bias must enter at this level. So that's why I place my trade call option. So let's wait for the results. Even though market is doing some panic, but I know it will definitely close my above my entry point. So this is another winning trade. So I took total 3 trade here. So I think maybe I'll take another one more trade, because this one I put only $1. So let me check for another opportunity. I wanted to take 3 trade only, but because of this I put only $1 here, that's why. So here maybe it's another opportunity from this level. After breakout, strong sellers. If I see weak bias, I can go with sellers after breakout. Yes, here I will go with sellers from this level because of this breakout. This candle has broken. This candle is weak, and here you can see strong sellers entry and strong sellers entry. So after breakout you should expect sellers, and here is strong level. This level is very, very strong, and the trend is downtrend. So you know market must enter at this level. So that's why I place my trade put option. So I know market will definitely create a red candle at least for 1 minute. So let's wait and see what will happen. If my prediction is right, you see sellers entry, strong sellers. So this is winning trade. So as you can see, I decided to take only 3 trade, but I mistakenly put $1 here. So now I took 4 trades, all are winning trades. So I will stop trading now. So if you have comments, questions, suggestions, please drop below comment section, and I will say thank you. Bye bye.